coach educators, the technical director and his department staff, participants, and our coach educators. They are coming last because this week they are a special group. I wouldn't say their attention is on them, but you know their attention is on football development. That's what's key. First and foremostly is to welcome our technical expert from FIFA and mentor into the Kingdom of Eswatini. We say welcome to you, sir. Feel at home. I know you've got a very competent staff around you that will take care of you in terms of all your logistics and needs to discharge your responsibilities successfully this week. And we are also at your disposal as a federation to also help when need be, so that this project and program that you are about in the country becomes a success. In terms of football development, it is our commitment, not just our wish, to actually develop competent elite players for the future of this country. And I know that when it comes to that, the technical side of football carries the greatest proportion of responsibility to nurture and shape football players for the future, which is why such a program to us, to have competent coach educators within our realms in the country, becomes paramount and fundamental to have the better players for the future. In my little technical knowledge and studies, I must say I did learn at some point that there are about 7 requirements of producing an elite player for the future. And at the very top is the coach. It goes without saying. What about the coach, where we are? And the second one is the player. It also talks about not just the player, a player that has got the capacity and willingness to work extremely hard. You know, the sport that you are about, or any other sport, you need to be very competitive. You must have an edge between you and the next person that you are competing with. So therefore, you cannot go further than looking at the finer detail of what you need to do to be better than the next person. So thanks to FIFA, we are saying to you, to our expert in particular, he must, on our behalf now, to FIFA, express our greatest gratitude to FIFA for unrelenting efforts to actually develop this sport globally, and in particular, in this case, into the Kingdom of Eswatini. We are hopeful that with the injection in terms of investment that has currently taken place, or that is continually taking place, we are going to surge up higher in terms of the development ladders in football. We are looking forward to having a better generation of players so that we can fare well against the other nations within the membership of FIFA. We are looking forward to a successful week for every one of you. To the participants, I want to congratulate you and also commend you, and also express, our gratitude to you too for the commitment that you took a decision and said, we want to be part of a generation of coaches, or join the bandwagon of coaches that can transform the potency of our players into the future. So we congratulate you. However, we still enlist your commitment so that you can be better coaches than those that came before you. You know, there's always this saying, all coaches are good, and I agree, all coaches are good, because there are so many factors into winning or not winning, or, you know, that kind of thing. But be better coaches than the good coaches. There is always room for improvement. Even if you think you are at the top, there is always room for improvement. The evolution that comes with technology, that comes with all the research that's about in the game, always challenges us to be better people. Go search in terms of our knowledge, learn and unlearn what we've learned before, because maybe the times have changed a little bit, to say now we need to transform ourselves. That is what you are about. So, which is why I'm challenging you to actually take it with both hands and help the association to have better players. And to our coach educators, by your own right, you had an opportune moment to actually transform this country. And we want to support you. We want to give you the best, you know, stage to actually showcase yourself as worthy to transform this country technically for better performance. I've said so much, and I would also want to pay special tribute to the technical director and his team for always trying to work hard to come up with some ideas, collaborate with FIFA and the rest of our stakeholders to see through such programs taking place. It is now my singular honor, not forgetting the role played by our media in terms of the coverage of our activities. Every day we're always in the media space, and which is why football is the #1 sport. Ours is to maintain football as the #1 sport universally and also within the country. At this moment in time, it is now my singular honor to actually declare this course, workshop, and mentoring program officially open for the week. I thank you.